Hello, I ought to me fine. I ought to something to come here. I ought to something to come find you. Come here, may I talk to you? Come here. I ought to something to come find you, boy.
No, Pops. A Wi-Fi, me come out and call you.
Wi-Fi. So, Wi-Fi, no, come here. Don't you run. Don't you run.
What good, Pops? Me I tell you the truth.
No, so why you never say nothing to me say you come out of the house? You're a big man.
No, I never remember.
You turn your own a key.
No.
At your house.
No, Pops.
No man. Listen, Japheth have to hogs when him come out of the yard. And because you live with Daphne, make you have them a same thing in your head. Like you can come out of the house. No. Anytime you want. No, come here, let me talk to you, man. Remember, you is not a big man. You're taller than me now. Me will thump you, don't make you short on me, yeah, boy? You hear, boy?
Yes, Pop.
Me ask you a question. Come here, talk to you. Come on. You know who me is?
Magnus.
Magnus who?
Magnus Butterfield.
Good. And me is who to you?
My father.
Alright, you is my father?
No.
You is my son. Hey, don't run. Don't you run. Hours a night now. May I ask you a question? Why you don't just left the yard like this boy? You burn crack?
No.
You burn weed?
No, Pops.
Into the yard. Into the yard, boy. Into the yard. Don't think nothing could have a big man. Get up and left the yard without permission. And my house. And me rule, yeah. Magnus Butterfield, my name.